not a car that normally lets you do donuts, so it's quite fun to be able to just fooling around. I've got no traction. Also, my ESP BAS light flickers on and off now, and it shouldn't be able to be turned off, but the car, at least in the snow, has been just turning it off, which mildly spooky. Kind of tossing it around a little bit. Good fun. Feel it break traction a little bit just going up the hill. Alright, this should be good. It's like a little loop. That was good fun. What is this van doing? They're giving me space. Thank you. Always good to practice driving in the snow. Bad idea, bad idea. My biggest issue with snow drifting has got to be just changing conditions, because so many different things you can encounter on a road, right? Like, that was unpredictable. Sand, salt, bare pavement, snow, ice, a little bit of everything all at once. Not very easy to predict. Now, at the end of this road, got a surprise. A little bit of a circle, a little too well paved, to be honest. And we are out of here. Wow, Mustang Mach 1. That's pretty cool. All right, hopefully some proper driving. Ooh, that was fun. Blindish corner. Oh, you can feel that transitions between different materials. Little scary, little scary. Oh, there's another car. Gotta be careful. They should be worried about me. They should, like, avoid me at all costs. Get off the roads when I'm on the roads. Not really a good corner. This might be good. Slow down for the Camry. I oversteer, they understeer. Volvo. Hello, Volvo. More parking lot shenanigans. Hey, if you can, why not? I love how, like, they didn't even look. They're like, they know what's going on. Just ignore it. Probably the best way to do things, to be honest. I just said, you know, try not to stay in the same spot for too long, but I just switched parking lots that are directly across each other. Donuts are just fun. Like, let's be honest. Here's the turnaround point. Just do a big donut. All right. And now to go home and re-empty the SD card. Ooh, it's slick.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, you can. I'm getting a rotation where I should not be getting a rotation.
Alright, I might slow down just a touch now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I did not notice the cars and almost I entered the other lane in a little bit of a slide.
This one's gonna be like an intermediate right.
Yeah, I can.
Definitely, yeah.
Intermediate left or whatever.
Yeah, a right to that another weird ass intersection. I think I have a brake pad.
Oh, it's an intersection.
Something like that. Okay, Seth.
It's showing off.
I heard it.
Yeah,
The phone.
it's loud.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, wait, what?
Okay.
We're taking a left.
Looks clear, yes. Also, it's a tight ass.
Also, like, what's going on here? Like, are there 2 lanes?
Can't even for it.
It's a triangle.
Yep.
Wanna be drifting.
3.
Yeah?
Yeah. I was like pushing with understeer. Look at the road, it just looks like ice.
Yeah, it's slick.
I know. You have studded tires.
I know. I'm glad that I invested in the studded snows. They're really loud though, that's the downside.
Yeah. Don't rear end me. Oh, plow truck, I'm not pulling up in front of you.
Plow
I wonder
trucks.
if a plow truck could cut a car in half.
I wonder.
Why?
It's not something I want to find out.